In this video, you will learn how to add YouTube videos on Instagram. So let's get started. Activate your Instagram account. In the absence of one, on an Android smartphone, simply install the app from the Google Play Store, and then create an account. If you have an iPhone, you must go to the App Store. I have opened my YouTube first to select any video. From the search bar, you can search for any video. I will write here nature videos. It will take a while to open properly. Scroll down and choose any video you want to add to your Instagram story. For this purpose, simply press 3 dots below the video. A pop-up will appear, where you will get the option to share. Simply press it. Another pop-up will appear, and below the apps, you will see the copy link option. Press it, and your link will be copied. Now go to your Instagram account. Refresh it. When it's done, press your story from the upper left corner. Then choose any pic you want to add. I will choose this logo right now. Then from the upper bar, press the stickers option. You will get a variety of different stickers. Choose any of them. I want to add a link, so I will choose this one. Add the copied link to the URL. Press Done from the top right corner. The link is added now. You can fix it by drawing where you want to. Set it in an appropriate place. Now press the send arrow from the bottom right corner. A share pop-up will appear. Press the share option. Then another share page will appear, where you will share your story with your friends individually. Press Done from the below. Your story is added successfully. Press again your story option from the upper left corner. See how easily you can add a YouTube video on Instagram story. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.